What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to motion track in CapCut on your PC. Motion tracking in CapCut allows you to follow a moving object in your video, which can be used to enhance your edit significantly. Let's dive into how to achieve this. First, open CapCut and import the video clip you want to work with into your project. Once your video is added, you'll need to create a reference point to help you track the motion effectively. To do this, click on Text on the top left or left side of the interface and add a default text. Change this text to a dot and increase its size substantially. Position this large dot in the center of your video. This dot will not be part of your final video, it's just there to aid in tracking. Next, ensure your video clip is selected on the timeline. Position your cursor at the very beginning of the clip. Now, navigate to the Position and Size settings in the top right corner and click on the diamond icon to add a keyframe. This keyframe marks the starting point for your motion tracking. Decide where in your video you want to begin tracking. For instance, if you're tracking a moving ball, place your cursor at the point where the ball starts to move. Here, begin adjusting your video's zoom and position to follow the ball. As you make adjustments, CapCut automatically adds new keyframes, which capture each change in position. Continue this process, moving through your timeline and adjusting the video to keep the ball centered. With each movement, new keyframes are added, ensuring that your video follows the motion of the ball smoothly. Once you've completed tracking, return to the text layer with the dot and delete it. Now, when you play back the video, you'll see that it perfectly tracks the movement of the ball throughout the clip. And that's it. You've successfully added motion tracking to your video in CapCut. This technique can be applied to any moving object in your videos, enhancing your edits and adding a professional touch to your projects. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.